Good morning, buddies. We're at Target. Obviously, it's not the morning. What up, bro? We got some last minute things to take care of. I've been cleaning my room all day, and look how gross I look. There's PJs all day, every day. Deal with it. The best toothpaste in the world. You ever wonder why my teeth are so white? It's because of this toothpaste. Look, you can see me in the reflection. Woo! Here you go, David. I found your mouthwash for you.
Thank God. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh. Get that out of the cart. Edmund, would you like some Turkish delight?
Yes, a lot of it, please.
Edmund, no one likes you. You're the worst brother ever. No. Narnia, shout out. OMG, Justin Bieber Valentine cards.
Ooh, Prism.
Valentine's Day candy. What's your guys' favorite Valentine's Day candy? A lot of people might say those little hearts, but those are kind of crusty. They have like sweet and sour ones, and those are my favorite. Not the original. You are gonna break this card. How many times do I... Shh, go to sleep. Holy crap, this is like a green watermelon. Look at this. One of these things is not like the other. Not like the other. Should we get it? It may be lucky. It may grow into a beanstalk. I don't know. This is how David gets in my car because my door is broken. Oh my gosh. Look at you, Speed Racer. Let's go.
Let's go.
So the house is a complete mess because of me, but we're about to eat. Give it me. Excuse me,
This one is just like a bigger space.
Wow, you would take the bigger bowl. I think that's like Cat's bowl. Oh, that's your bowl?
That's my bowl. I got a whole
I want the red bowl. I'm just kidding.
It's just more space.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I want the blue bowl now. Blue's my favorite color. Mint green. Give it back. Turquoise. What is that color? Did you just spit on it?
It's mine now.
Ew.
I'm kidding, I didn't spit on it.
Oh, now I want it. I'm just kidding. Seriously though, look at all the laundry everywhere. It's a complete mess.
Look at the
I am. Where are you? Oh, I'm cleaning. We're watching Adventure Time and eating a little din din. We also went to Ralph's. I don't think I recorded that, but we went to Ralph's. I don't know why we went to Target in the first place.
You guys can check out my channel, and we went to Ralph's there.
Ew, name drop. The video, subscribe. Right here we have a delicious crouton, some cranberries, a pear walnut. What is it? Pear vinaigrette. And I believe there's some goat cheese, delectable goat cheese in there. Excuse me, your camera's not supposed to be on me when I'm talking about food.
It's hilarious if you want to see this.
Yum. So like I said, the house is a complete mess because I'm in the process of cleaning and moving all my stuff into this room, which is David's old bedroom. David moved into my room and he's going to be sharing it with a brand new roommate. You guys don't know who that is yet, but I'm sure you'll find out tomorrow. Kind of exciting. You're gonna see someone new popping up all over the place in our vlogs. Tell you what, it's gonna be a party. So today's kind of just been a lazy day. I wore the same shirt I wore yesterday, didn't do my hair, kind of need to shower, so I haven't done that yet. I've been doing my laundry, I've been cleaning up, did some grocery shopping. David helped me move all my stuff in my room, thank goodness. My desk is set up over there, and then my cubbies are now set up over there. My side table drawers right here. This is actually David's bed frame. Mine is wooden, and it's a little bit harder to take apart, where his is a little easier. So we figured it's like, we both have full-size beds, might as well just swap the mattresses and then just leave them in there, because we plan on moving out and getting like a much bigger house here probably in the next couple of months. But yeah, so this is just temporary. Kind of excited to redecorate. I like the smaller room. Actually, my old room was a lot bigger and it was kind of scary. I'm one of those people that are like really afraid to leave their closet doors open and see shadows in the nights and just like freak myself out, especially if I watch a scary movie. So I like the smaller space because I know where everything is. Although those heads up there are a little bit creepy. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I have a camera coming in tomorrow. Woo woo! Brand new camera. What up? I got the same camera that Joey has, so now I'm gonna be like super high def, bro. I'm kind of bummed out though because they had Joey's camera in 3 different colors: black, gray, and white. And the black one was $279, and the white one, which is the same everything, just a different color, was $379, $100 more. I wanted it so bad, but I didn't want to pay $100 more for the same exact camera. So I ended up just getting the black one. Maybe I'll put like a sticker on it or something. Ooh, I could put a cool decal on it. That'd be cool, right? I could do that. I'll customize it. Anyways, I just thought that was a little bit rude that they would charge $100 more for a white camera. I'm tired. I should probably go to bed. Hope you guys had a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! And it's like Klingon berry, I don't know, but I called it...
Klingon berry? Very Star Trek.
I called it dingleberry juice. I'm like, what's that juice? The dingleberry juice.
Very embarrassing.
What is it called?
Better hope it's not dingleberry juice.
I know, that'd be gross.